After intensive evaluation, Google selected Ittiam's HEVC decoder for integration into Android. And this marked the entry, which was timely and strategic, of Ittiam into the open source world. Validation from an industry leader like Google of Ittiam's technology leadership provided us the scale to push us from multi-million user player to a multi-billion user player. This first integration also paved the path for a vibrant multi-team partnership between Ittiam and Android, which has grown immensely and continues to thrive.
Our collaboration with Google was growing since 2013, and one of the important areas we were working with them was on VP9. So VP9 at the time was gaining adoption rapidly, especially in online media. And at the time, Google and Ittiam decided to jointly organize this event in Mumbai. It was attended by over 150 organizations from different domains such as media technologies, media production studios, distribution and service companies. And it led to increased adoption of VP9 in India subsequently.
Innovation has been an integral part of Ittiam's DNA. Since our inception, we have consistently invested about 30% of our product development budgets into R&D. The IP and deep expertise that we have built through those investments is what gives us the most significant edge in the open source world. The recognition of Ittiam's R&D unit by the Department of Scientific and Industrial Research of Government of India, also known as DSIR, is a great endorsement to our continuous commitment to research-driven development.
Netflix had been an early adopter of VP9 in their OTT services. And there were two key elements that they were looking for. One was better performance, but at a higher quality. And it was with this problem that three companies came together, including giants such as Google and Netflix, to work with Ittiam on this. And I want to mention our special thanks to Mr. David Ronka, who at the time was leading efforts for Netflix for their video infrastructure. It later paved the way for Ittiam being invited as an early promoter member for Alliance for Open Media, AOM, and our work on AV1, with which we continue to work even today.
Ittiam continues to grow in stature as a key video expert within MTech. And we are shaping the future of emerging video standards through our contributions. It was a proud moment for us when our principal engineer, Jiva Raj, was invited to demonstrate our HR266 decoder on stage in front of hundreds of video experts across the world on a smartphone device. While MPEG is still very relevant in multiple markets, but combined with our contributions from Alliance for Open Media, Ittiam is in a very unique position to cater to all the emerging video technology needs, not just of online media, but across all customer and market segments.